Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add items to your warehouse. To begin, navigate to the Inventory tab. If you wish to add many items to your warehouse at once, you can use the bulk upload feature, which works the same across the platform. Simply hover over the Actions menu, select Import from Excel, and upload your filled out sheet. However, for this tutorial, we will look at how to add a new item manually by clicking the plus item button. First, decide whether you want to add a material or a component. For this example, let's add a material. Notice that every item is automatically assigned its own unique batch number by the system for better tracking. You can quickly fill out the main fields by uploading your document. Our system automatically reads the paper and populates all the relevant information for you. Next, simply add specific details such as the vendor, unit and sell prices, the owner, and the location. Fill out the incoming inspection details and note who performed it. Finally, the received inward quantity is recorded for accounting purposes. Click Save. Because we uploaded the certificate, the associated certificate is automatically attached to the item under the Files Notes tab. Now, let's add a component, but this time let's do it fully manually. Click plus item again. Like before, the system fills out the batch number automatically. Choose the component category from the menu. Enter a name, part number, and serial number. For the reference number, let's insert our purchase order number. Fill out the form tracking number, manufacturer, and choose your vendor. Next, select the owner. This lets you track whether the component belongs to you or if you are holding a client's item in your warehouse. To keep your warehouse organized, be sure to specify the station, location, and specific shelf where the component is stored, and add the incoming inspection information. When you choose the tracking parameters and insert the time since new, it will automatically update going forward based on those parameters. Manually upload the certificate under the Files Notes tab. If you have components, you can easily link them with subcomponents and create an assembly under the specific item. The logbook tracks the usage and maintenance history of the component. All related documents can be viewed under the Files Notes tab, and the Activity tab tracks every administrative change made to the item. Wingops also generates essential documents for your items. When you hover over the Actions menu on a specific item, you can print your required forms. This is how your form will look. Additionally, you can create a scannable QR code label or serviceable and unserviceable tags. If you need to print labels or tags for several items at once, you can do that directly from the main list. Simply check the boxes next to the items you need. Hover over the Actions menu at the bottom of the page and choose the label or tag required. You have control over how your data is displayed. On the main page, you can filter and customize your items table to fit your exact needs. You can also customize your labels and tags by navigating to Settings and selecting the Inventory tab. Here, you can adjust the label dimensions and choose which data fields appear on the printout. You can also change the tag titles along with their dimensions and fields. Finally, if you need to track extra details not included in the standard Wingops form, you can create custom fields for your items by going to Settings, selecting Data Fields, and navigating to the Inventory, Materials, Components section. Thank you for watching.